Good morning, guys. Today we are going to learn another lesson in our English class. Our objective today is to compare and contrast contents of materials viewed from sources of information such as print, online, and broadcast. Last time we talked about the different propaganda devices. Do you still remember them? Wow, that's very good. Okay, tell me, what are they? All right, you are correct. These are glittering generality, name calling, testimonial, bandwagon, powerful words, and technical jargons. Wow, you did very well. This week, we will learn how to compare and contrast contents of materials viewed from sources of information such as print, online, and broadcast. As a learner, you are used to accomplishing homeworks and research works given to you by your teachers. Wanting to fully understand these learning activities, you work on finding more information from various sources or materials. The gathered details from various sources support your answers and maximize your understanding of the lesson. To achieve this, you must be aware as to where to find information and how to access or use various materials or sources. Also, the relevance and credibility of the sources of information you use must also be considered. Now, look at the picture. Examine these pictures. Oh, look at that one. Next one. This and another one. What can you say about it? Wow, that's correct. Very good. They are using the different sources of information. This one is the print materials. This one is the broadcast. This one is online. At the same time, this little boy is using a print material. Very good. All right, so now, what sources do you use in gathering information for assignment and other school activities? Wow, you got it right. Of course, you are using the most common, your module, the textbooks, and wow, that's correct. You are using Google. Very good. All right, so now this time you are going to arrange the letters to form the correct word being described in the following sentence. All right, so these materials consist of all written printed materials. Examples of this resources are printed versions of textbooks, workbooks, reference books, magazines, newspapers, and journals. So, what is it? Wow, that's amazing. Yes, it's correct. It's or they are print materials. Next one. They are learning resources that are made available online. Common examples of online resources are blogs or vlogs, podcasts, audiobooks, ebooks, videos, mobile apps, web pages, social media, and emails or electronic mails. What are they? Great! They are online materials. Next one, they are learning resources that are transmitted through radio or television. What is it? Oh, very good. They are broadcast materials. Great job, guys. You are doing very well in our activity. So now let us learn more about print materials. Print materials consist of all written materials, excluding non-print resources which convey planned courses information. Examples of print resources include, but are not limited to, textbooks, workbooks, reference books, newspapers, journals, and magazines. Next one, broadcast media or broadcast materials can also be private and includes advertising. Global TV or CTV are examples for commercial television. The term broadcast media covers a wide range of different communication methods that include television, radio, podcasts, blogs, advertising, websites, online streaming, and digital journalism. Online materials. These are any sources available on the internet in an online educational environment. It might be HTML documents such as course or chapter objectives, lecture notes, assignments, or answers to chapter questions. It might be audio or video lessons, interactive exercises or exams, or documents providing links to another websites. Alright, so remember class that those are the three print or sources of information. Right now, we are going to know what are the characteristics of a good information. We are going to use this in examining the similarities and differences of the print material. So, for us to be able to compare and contrast sources of materials, we are going to know the good or the characteristics of a good information. The first one is accuracy. It means correct, it is reliable, free from flaws, and with high quality. So, next one is completeness. Information should provide all needed information. It must answer the WH questions such as the what, why, where, when, why, and how. Next one is timeliness. Information should be up to date. You should not get information from those who were written or uploaded 5 or 10 years ago. Next one, we have consistency. It is the state of reaching a level that does not differ greatly in quality over time. Information should be unchanging. All right? Next one, relevance. Information should suit the demand, needs, and interest of the readers. Okay. So next one is uniqueness. Information must be distinct in order to be useful. It can easily be adapted if it is visually pleasing. So there you have it guys. You have the good or the characteristics of a good information. I hope that you are going to use this in comparing and contrasting the different sources of information that I'm going to show you later. Alright, so this time you are going to read, watch, and observe this TV, radio, or printed advertisement of two fast food chains you are familiar with. Using a Venn diagram, note down their similarities and differences. Then write a paragraph explaining the content of the said diagram. Do this in your notebook. Be guided by the rubric below. Alright? So we have here the video. Alright, so that's the advertisement of McDonald's. Alright. Okay, now this time you are going to listen and watch this another advertisement of another food chain which is Jollibee. nangyari? Ay. Okay, so guys, you all you have to do is that you are going to watch it fully in YouTube channel also of Jollibee. All right. So here this time we are going to finish this one by doing this learning task one. So here at the center class, you are going to write the similarities of the two advertisement. Okay. You can also compare and contrast the propaganda techniques used in both advertisement, okay? And here you are going to use you're going to write here the differences, okay, in this side and here in this side. What is the difference of Jollibee online advertisement to McDonald's? And here both you are here at the center you are going to write the similarities, okay? So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that you're going to uh, like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time. Bye.